Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. I hope you are really excited and ready to do some math work with Miss Kelly. This is your math video for Monday, May 4th. And I am so excited because we're going back to one of my favorite strategies ever that we've learned this year, our Make 10 strategy. And I'm going to show you again, in case we've forgotten or gotten confused, how to do the Make 10 using 10 frames, how to do a Make 10 strategy using our fingers and our brain, and how to do the Make 10 strategy using number bonds. All right, let's get started. Okay, I see that my first problem that I'm going to model today says 8 plus 7 is the same as Now, I know I want to solve using a math drawing. And if I'm using my Make 10 strategy, well, then I know I can use a 10 frame to help me. Okay, well, to draw a 10 frame, I like to start by making a big, nice rectangle that I'm going to use as my 10 frame. Now I know in a 10 frame, I'm going to have a row on top and a row on bottom. So I'm going to cut it through like this, so I have a row on top and a row on bottom. How many go on top? 5, because 5 and 5 make 10. So I need to make sure I'm cutting this into 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, and now when I cut this one in there, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I was able to create my 10 frame. Okay. Now that I have my 10 frame ready to go, I'm going to think, which part should I start with to fill in my 10 frame? Am I going to start with 8 or 7? You're right, I'm going to start with 8 because that's my larger part. And you always want to start by filling in your larger part. So let me put my 8 into my 10 frame. Do I have enough right now to make 10? No, I don't. I need to think, where can I borrow these 2 more that I need to get and build a 10? I can borrow it from my 7. I'm going to take 2 away from my 7 and make my 10. Let's see how many remain outside of the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 10 here and 5 remain outside. 10 plus 5, do I know that quickly? Yeah, 10 plus 5 makes 15. That means 8 plus 7 must be 15. Great job, first grade. We were able to solve using our Make 10 strategy, drawing a 10 frame picture. Way to go! But there's more than just one way to use our Make 10 strategy. I want to show you how I can use my Make 10 strategy using a number bond. Let's say I don't want to do my 10 frame drawing. I'm going to try and use a number bond instead. Well, it's the same concept. I have to start with my larger part. I'm going to start with 8, and I need to think in my head, how many more does 8 need to get to 10? 8, 9, 10. It only needs 2 more. Where can I take that 2 from? The 7. I'm going to take 2 away from 7 to make a group of 10. I don't have 7 anymore because I took 2 away. 7 minus 2 is the same as 5. Okay, now that I borrowed some to make a group of 10, now I need to show that in a number sentence. 8 plus 2 is the same as 10. I made 10. Bye-bye, 8. Bye-bye, 2. What's my only number left to add? 5. Well, I can add that really quickly. I know 10 plus 5 is the same as 15. So 8 plus 7 must be the same as 15. Remember, when you're using a number bond, the first thing you do is you start with your larger part, you borrow from your smaller part to make a group of 10, and then you add that remaining number back. Okay, we've practiced making 10 using a 10 frame drawing. We've practiced making 10 now with a number bond. Now I want to show you how to make 10 using your fingers. Okay, so we know we're solving the problem 8 plus 7. I'm going to stick that larger part in my head, 8's in my head, and 7 goes on my finger. I know I still want to make 10, so I'm going to count on till I get to 10. 8, 9, 10. I had to give 2 into my head to make that group of 10. Now I have 10 in my head and 5 on my fingers. 10 plus 5 is the same as 15. That's how I'm able to use my fingers to also help me make 10. Now it's your turn, my friends. You get to choose which way you want to use the make 10 strategy. Are you going to draw pictures with your 10 frames? Are you going to use number bonds to help you solve? Are you going to use your fingers and your head to help you solve quickly and make 10? You can pick whichever way works best for you, but I want to see you using the make 10 strategy to solve your problems. This is the work that you're going to turn into your teacher today. I can't wait to see it, first grade. Have an awesome rest of your Monday.